I'm gonna put it.
Northwestern, Durham County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:02 p.m. severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Topnot to near Prospect Hill to near Mebane, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Roxborough, Hillsborough, Mebane, Leesburg, Gulfport, Fall River, Connor, Edgewood, Lake Michigan, and Elmore State Park. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance,